In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage access in Google Drive, a comprehensive guide specifically tailored for teams. We're diving into the heart of collaboration and efficiency by ensuring everyone on your team can access the files and resources they need, while keeping sensitive information secure. Let's kick things off by navigating to your Google Drive. To begin, open your preferred web browser and go to the Google Drive homepage by entering drive.google.com in the address bar. Once there, you'll want to sign in using your Google account credentials if you're not already logged in. Keep in mind that accessing the right account is crucial, especially if juggling multiple logins, to ensure you're managing the correct Drive setup. Once you're in, let's locate the files or folders for which you'd like to manage access. This is typically found in your My Drive section. Just scroll through or use the search function to find what you're looking for efficiently. When you've located the folder or file, right-click on it to bring up a menu with several options. From this menu, select the option labeled Share. You'll notice a pop-up window appears. This is your command center for all things related to file permissions. In this window, you can manage who currently has access and decide who should or shouldn't have it in the future. You'll see an option to add people or groups at the top. Click here and enter the email addresses of the individuals you wish to grant access to. It's a good idea to double-check these addresses for accuracy to avoid sharing with unintended recipients. Also, just beneath each email entry, you'll find a permission drop-down menu. Here you can assign roles such as viewer, commenter, or editor, depending on how much control you want to grant. After setting these permissions, consider adding a personalized message. It can be a brief note explaining why you're sharing the file and any specific instructions for use. This is optional, but it's often appreciated and can help avoid any future confusion. Once you've adjusted these settings to your satisfaction, click the Send button to notify your team members of their new access. Now, if you ever need to review or change these permissions, you can always return to this same pop-up window. Adjust as necessary by repeating these steps, keeping your team agile and informed with the right access. As you manage these permissions, remember that confidentiality is key. For particularly sensitive documents, you may want to limit access to smaller, more critical groups, or use Google Drive's additional security settings to ensure enhanced protection. With these steps, you're well on your way to mastering access management in Google Drive. Ensure efficient collaboration and keep your team equipped with the tools they need, all while safeguarding your key resources. Thanks for watching and happy sharing.